Welcome back to Matilda's Messes. This is Matilda, and today is going to be organizing the pantry closet. This video is brought to you by St. Ives. I received a lovely package in the mail with this revitalizing body wash and cleansing stick. Okay, so our pantry is not the cleanest or most organized pantry in the world. I mean, it's clean, it's just very, very cluttered. So today I figured I would go ahead and organize it and bring you guys for the ride. So I'm just going to start off by clearing out everything that is in the pantry. Everything on every single shelf, including the floor. Next, I went ahead and placed the dog food and cat food supplies on the floor. Then I filled up the food buckets with whatever food was left over in the bags. That way they can stay contained without any bugs getting into them. Up next, I bought these small under shelf baskets. You can find them at Dollar General, and they're about $4 each. And I just placed them underneath the shelves where I thought it would fit best. On the bottom under shelf I decided to put some of Izzy's treats and vet supplies. That way it's just high enough off the ground that she can't get to it, but it's also out of the way so I can put human food on the regular shelves. Up next, I got these lovely can holders from Dollar General for $2 each. And I'm just going to put some beans in one of them, and in the other one I'll put soup mixes and chicken and beef broths. And then I put some flour and some sugar in some glass container mason jars I found at the Family Dollar store. If you're wondering what the jars have on them, it's a clear label stating "Live, Laugh, Eat." I also got these clear containers from the Family Dollar, and I decided to use this small one for potatoes. I got some smaller mason jars at the Family Dollar. I used more of the small containers from the Family Dollar store to house my aluminum foil and my plastic wraps and sandwich bags. I used another one for Tupperware. Up next, I used 2 larger bins from the Family Dollar to house some of our workout supplies, such as whey powders and vitamins. And as you can see, my pantry is completely organized. Now, if you noticed that some things were not included in the video earlier, I'm sorry about that. My camera decided to die on me, but never fear, I am actually going to go out this weekend and get a second battery, so this will not happen again. Smaller black container that I already had laying around at the house are some Keurig cups that I have with hot cocoa and tea mixes. And then on top in the undershelf basket, I have some oatmeal packets for instant oatmeal for those days I'm on the run. And then on the shelf on top of that is the bins and the pure water filters. And then on the very top shelf is the workout supplies. And in this undershelf here, I just wanted to show you that it works perfectly just above the dog food. That way I won't forget where it is. It's right by, well, the dog food. And that's about it. That is exactly how my pantry turned out. I may rearrange it over time just to see what works best, but I think as of right now, I think this will work perfectly. And in the bin where the potatoes are, I can absolutely add onions, garlic, anything else that needs to be stashed in a cool, dark place, and that will be out of the way from the countertops. But I think this looks so much better than before. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And hopefully I will hear from you soon. If you would like to know exactly where all these things came from, I have them listed in the description box below.